The Dongyue Machinery Digital Twin System integrates advanced technologies like industrial big data, the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence. By consolidating data resources from existing information systems, it provides a comprehensive framework for managing operations. The system creates a digital twin model of each product, ensuring consistency with its physical counterpart in appearance, structure, and operation. This allows for precise simulations of production workflows and the operational states of equipment and production lines. The panel production line's business process is analyzed through automated and digitized integration. Leveraging the automation of line equipment, it achieves comprehensive digital and intelligent management of the entire production process, enhancing efficiency. The digital production line supports interactive functions, enabling users to engage with the equipment through mouse-click events that display relevant production data. Virtual tours along fixed routes allow users to explore the production workshop and observe live demonstrations. Additionally, the IoT platform provides real-time operational data, enabling data-driven simulations of equipment that follow the actual production sequence. Users can leverage the Dongyue Digital Twin platform to enhance the intelligence, digitization, and sustainability of their production lines. They can monitor key processes such as blending, aging, cutting, and steam curing, enabling automated control, anomaly alerts, and intelligent decision-making for effective visual management of factory operations.